Insulated triangle telescopic hot stick. High-strength aluminum alloy universal head. Stainless steel alloy hook. Rubber lock. The tip section is fluorescent green, high visibility. Polycarbonate red lock button. Special design triangle pole. Each section can be quickly extended, retracted and fixed. Carrying bag usage demonstration. Unfastening the rubber lock. Selecting the appropriate length based on actual working conditions. Press and hold the locking button to take out the needed sections. Correct operation. Keep the hot stick vertical to the ground. Starting from the top section, slowly extend each section one by one, ensuring each section is locked in correct position. Performing the connection operation of the switch. After finishing operation, retract back each section. Keep the pole vertical to the ground. Starting from the bottom section, slowly retract each section one by one with manual assistance. Reassemble the used sections. Put the hot stick back into the carrying bag, and fasten the buckle of the bag. Incorrect operation, strictly prohibited. Error 1. The pole is not kept in vertical position to the ground when extending/retracting, or the tilt angle is too big. Error 2. Extend the hot stick horizontally on the ground and then stand it up vertically for use. Error 3. The rod is retracted without manual assistance, allowing it to fall back freely, causing impact on the button and the pole. Error 4. Improper transportation and storage of the hot stick, which may cause external squeeze, friction, and damage to the rod. While using the hot stick for connection or disconnection of the switch, must be careful and do not put too much extra horizontal force on the hot stick, which may cause the hot stick overbent and break.